G'day mate, Red Roo here, and I would like to tell you about Red Roo Commercial Environmental Equipment. Red Roo equipment is tough and built to last a long time, just like me. Red Roo has a great range of environmental equipment, including heavy duty garden mulchers, wood chippers, stump grinders and rotary hoes. Just what you need to keep your place green and prepared for bushfire season. If you have a job to do, let me show you what Red Roo can do.
G'day, my name's Tim. Here working for McLeod Trees. I've been with McLeod for 5 years and been using stump grinders for the last 7. Using the Red Roo SHP400 for the last 18 months and other variants of stump grinders as well. And we're just going to go through today and show you the features of using this machine. So we'll just go over it. Firstly, it's a pivot over centre machine. Enables the operator to have good control, nice clean broad sweeps to get those stumps out. So we'll get into it. Just before we get the machine off, just go over a few items of safety. We've obviously got our PPE, face shield, helmet, earmuffs, protective clothing and boots. And we're just going to protect the client's property. We've got one of these stumpy shrouds, and that'll catch any flying debris and stop any damage happening. Just a quick pre-start check. Check that you've got plenty of fuel. And that your cutting teeth are all got a good face on them, which they do. Just going over, check for any leaks or dribs or drabs, and set that into the straight position. The great feature of these Red Roo stumpies is it's got a freewheeling feature, so if the machine ever becomes disabled or you want to get to the job quicker so you're not going that walking pace, simply pull out these pins and that allows freewheeling. You need to come in on an angle. You can off-center the head, so you can sneak it around corners and just work the machine in your favour. So just offset it, bring the wheels around in line, and I can still get in here and not disrupt any of this hedge. Bring it round to a bit better angle, 45. See how that goes. So as you can see, great machine, having such tight access. The client worried about retaining other trees and shrubs. You can get in there with this machine and do a proper job. So once you're back at the stump, simply put the pins back in, just give it a light roll, and it'll fly home, it'll lock in. And we're back to the hydraulics. So we've got 3 types of stumps to do, and 1 larger jacaranda, and we're going to chase some surface roots in a small courtyard here in Elwood. Just release the pin for the machine to swivel. You can see it's got a good broad sweep there. Sidle up to your stump. Making sure that the cutting wheel on its return won't hit any of the old reds here, the brick header. Sneak in there. Yeah, another thing with these low revs, gauge the clutch, earmuffs, safety first, and off we go. Down, simply hit the clutch switch, off, back the revs off, and then just wait for the left and cutting wheel to slow down. Righto, so with this jacaranda stump, it's got a lot of surface roots, and we've got to just chase them all out.
Mate, Red Roo gear is great. It can handle the toughest conditions in the bush, just like me.
Once the job's done, lock it back into the lock position with the wheels. Make sure the revs are down. Pull your pins out. Right, get it back to the trailer. Yeah, so that was it. Once you're done, just stow the machine away. Just lock the pin back into place. Pivot the handles off the centre. It's stowed and ready to go to the next job. I'm Tim from McLeod Trees, and we've been using the Red Roo SHP400 stump machine.
So if you're serious about keeping your weeds down, saving your water and improving your soil, check us out at redroo.com. Red Roo, a hop ahead.